If you're a Forex trader looking to level up, you need to check out K9 Investments. K9 Investments offers a top-notch Forex trading course that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros. Why? Because it's packed with guidance, education, analysis, mentorship, and premium signals. Imagine having expert mentors walk you through each step of your trading journey. You'll get in-depth education on Forex, gold, cryptocurrency, and commodities. Plus, real-time analysis and premium signals to keep you ahead of the market trends. K9 Investments ensures you're not just trading, but mastering the art of trading. The mentorship program is designed to provide personalized support, helping you sharpen your strategies and maximize your profits. So, if you're serious about trading, K9 Investments is your go-to. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to elevate your trading skills. Hit that subscribe button now and join the K9 Investments community. Happy trading!